Hello everyone, this is Joe Drake here. I thought I would share today's adventure with you. We woke up this morning and it sounded like Niagara Falls underneath our house. So anyway, there's a leak. I turned off the water and there's a lake underneath my house, and I'm fixing to go fix the problem, I hope. Anyway, I'll let you see what in my attire I've got. My nifty knife, my flashlight, and a Phillips screwdriver and a straight screwdriver. And I'm hoping that this is all it's going to take to fix the problem. Anyway. Ta-da-ta-da! Alright, well here goes nothing. We're going to go out here and check out the situation. I'll show you what's going on, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do about it, hopefully. Anyway, let's jump down here. You can see here where water, if you can see it moving, is actually still flowing out from underneath the house. So that means there's water still underneath there. It's kind of really cold out here. Anyway, I'll let you see, if you can, where I'll be going. Oh, water's drained a lot, but there's still a lot of water on the ground. Where I'm going is right there. Let's see if I can put the light right on it. Right there in the center of the light, there's these two hoses together. To unscrew them, saw the hose down where it's split, and then connect them right back together. Anyway, it's gonna be fun. Yay, I'm excited, can't you tell? Alright, this is the hole that I've got to crawl in. Yay. And way up there is how far I've got to go. The water has drained a whole lot. Before, when I checked, it was like, I don't know, at least a foot of water underneath here. It was just submerged. But anyway, here I go. I'm about out of battery, but I'm going to go ahead and record as long as I've got. I'm trying to drag this plastic in with me, so that way once I get up there in the mud, I'll have something to lay on, maybe. There's a lot of cords underneath here. I hope I don't get electrocuted. If I do, it's all documented and you know what happened. I'm getting there, slowly but surely. Alright, here I am on location. I have found the source of the problem I will show you. It's this pipe that's really rigged horribly up here. I'm going to have to unscrew that, cut it down to where it's better, and hopefully be able to screw it right back on. I just don't think it's going to be that easy. Anyway, we're going to try it. Here goes nothing. Alright, well, I have cut it and replaced it, so now is the test. I'm going to go outside and take a look and turn the water on and see what happens. Here we go. Oh yay, now hoping I won't have to crawl back underneath here again. Not today anyway. Oh, that was my hat. Alright, I am out of the hoe now with minimal dirt or wetness. Thanks to the nifty-o trash bags that are, I think they're hefty stretch bags or something like that. Anyway, they worked. They did the job good. Anyway, so we're gonna walk down here to the water to turn it on now to see if we actually fix the problem. And we'll probably have to bail some water out. Yay, like I knew we would. Alright, so let me use my nifty jugs here and bail out water, and I'll be back in just a moment. Alright, I'm going to use my nifty water tea here. I'm going to stick it down in here, and we're going to get it turned back on. I think that should have done it. I'll turn it on full force. Let's see what damage we caused. Let's run up here. Let's check her out. And I don't hear no water. And ta-da! I fixed it! My first plumbing job, and I fixed it. Congratulations, Joe. Thanks everybody for watching the video. I can go take a shower now. Yay!